Sunrise Loenthai is at the forefront of the textile industry in Vietnam, positioned to support the country's expanding supply chain for knit and woven apparel products. Established in 2014 under the name Thien Nam Sunrise, the group was renamed Sunrise Loenthai in 2016 and is now owned by a consortium of leading textile manufacturing and trading organizations and has a workforce of 1,475 people. Loenthai Holdings controls 50% of the group, Sunrise 45.5%, and Itochu the remaining 4.5%. The group is widely known as the best and largest export quality fabric mill in Vietnam and offers critical lead time advantages to leading apparel manufacturers. Based in Nam Dinh near Hanoi in North Vietnam, Sunrise Loenthai is located in one of the most prominent textile manufacturing regions and boasts good proximity to the international airport and also to the second largest port in the country. In total, Vietnam has a population of over 90 million people, and although 2.5 million garment workers are employed in the textile industry, exporting $27 billion of goods, the country is yet to reach its full potential. 85% of the textile industry is composed of cut, make, trim manufacturers, and while 9 billion meters of fabric is consumed annually, only 1/3 of it comes from domestic suppliers. Of the world's leading garment manufacturing nations, it is widely understood that Vietnam has the most open approach to passing new trade legislation and is one of 12 countries to have concluded the Trans-Pacific Partnership Free Trade Agreement negotiations, anticipated to come into effect by 2018. Pending final approval within the next 2 years, Vietnam will be able to ship goods to the United States without import duties being imposed, subject to complying with local fabric rules of origin regulations. Having also concluded FTA negotiations with the European Union, it is anticipated that the EU single market will be a duty-free location by 2018, subject to local fabric regulations, adding to trade agreements that Vietnam currently holds with China, Japan, and Korea. Companies across the supply chain are seeing the advantages of Vietnam country of origin and, most importantly, are looking to develop a local material network here. As such, Sunrise Loenthai is engaging a range of garment manufacturers and other textile groups on new fabric design and development programs, providing the supply base and speed to market to ensure these companies positioned to utilize Vietnam's cost and trade advantages. At present, Sunrise Loenthai is the only fabric mill in Vietnam to be approved by the following international brands: Ralph Lauren, Uniqlo, Dillard's, JCPenney, and Yamaki. Employing 70 expatriates familiar with international fabric development and manufacturing standards, the group is an innovator of modern fabric designs, dyeing processes, and finishing techniques. The group's product range includes poplin, Oxford, flannel, dobby, jersey, and piqué, while new fabric styles are continually being developed to support customers aiming to incorporate prime raw materials when rolling out the latest trends. Looking at the plant schematically, Buildings A and B house the group's bulk production machinery. Buildings C and D hold laboratories, technical support facilities, yarn dye, finishing, and value-added services. Building E is used for woven inspection processes and warehousing. The plant's machinery includes 548 weaving looms for the group's core woven shirt fabric manufacturing capability. In addition, the group has an extensive knit fabric capability with 110 flat knit sets and 48 circular knit machines. Both woven and knit fabrics are processed using modern finishing techniques, which can be grouped under silky, loose, brushed, peach, liquid cotton, care, and soft treatment categories, yielding many different effects and product advantages. All operations at Sunrise Loenthai adhere to international quality standards and also to local and international environmental requirements. In total, over 4 million meters of woven fabric per month is piece or yarn dyed. For knit fabrics, an equivalent 350 tons is piece or yarn dyed. With plans in place for further modernization, construction, and expansion work, this is an opportunity for businesses to collaborate with Sunrise Loenthai to align with the industry landscape, gain critical lead time and product development advantages as Vietnam progresses further in textile and apparel manufacturing.